हाय दोस्तों, आज की सेशन में बात करने वाले हैं विलेज लाइफ वर्सेस सिटीज लाइफ। आपको पता क्या करना है? अपने ओपिनियन प्लेस करने हैं। एट द सेम आज के इस डिस्कशन में आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं। मीन्स काउंटर करना अलाउड है। सो मेक श्योर काउंटर करें, क्वेश्चंस पूछें, सिर्फ किसी की बात को सुन के मान मत लें। सो दैट्स हाउ वी गोना गो विद। ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ यू गोना मेक इट स्टार्ट।
I would choose city life because of the facilities that I talk about the facility further. First facility in city life, we got the better hospitalization, better education system, better transportation system, and that's all about it. If I talk about transportation in village life, in villagers are not getting the good transportation from their village to any other place. There is a bus after 4 hours, after 5 hours, sometimes it after 6 hours. But in city you can go by metro. If you are living in a metropolitan city, you can take a metro by every 3 to 4 minute. Alternate metro is available, and you can book Uber, Ola, and other facility available in the city as well. But in village there is no any facility available as like this. You can wait for the auto rickshaw or jeep or the bus for a long hours. That was a waste of our time. As you know, the time is very precious for everyone, and we should not waste time. That's the important for our life. Then in another aspect that I put earlier, hospitalization. If in village life, the lots of people died because of the lack of the hospitalization, lack of doctor, lack of treatment, lack of medicine. But in city, the blood banks are available, the good doctors are available, and high rated hospital available, multi-speciality hospital available where everything can happen. You even the bones can change from the body in just a single day. But you live in the village, you can have to reach the city for this kind of hospitalization. In another aspect, if I talk about education, lots of villages are reaching to city for their higher education after completing 12th or graduation. For the preparation of any government examination or for the college life, they can move to the city. So, as per me, with all these aspects, city life is the better life.
Okay, guys, if I generally ask you what is life, so many of you would answer life is a race. But guys, in city, life is not a race because you can't do race in city because there is a lot of traffic jam. In the village, the life starts with you and ends with you, where you just have to mentally focus on your life and you can live a peace life. What is the demand? What is the demand of living a healthy and a happy life? You need a good proper food, you need peace, you need environment, and you have to live with the beauty. Everything is provided in the village, but you will find none of the things in the cities. Whether you are having facilities, whether you are having medical factors, but these things are not needed in the village because in the village the people are eating healthy food, so they don't get ill easily, so they don't need hospitals. That's why hospitals are not there in the village. So the thing which we don't need, why we need to have those things? And if you are talking about education, so village students are much educated. They are enough proper educated. They are enough can make their own decisions by their own. So I believe village life is much better.
Saying about or being against of city while living in city only is just a hypocrisy, I would say, as you are stating a lot of thing and all about the village point about the in the support of village, then I should suggest you that you should move to village only, right? And you stated that education is much important. I would say that yes, the village education is very much good, that they are migrating to city only to get the education, to get the employment only, right? So basically the thing I would say, that in cities you are getting a lot of opportunities, that's why you are being here. I'm not criticizing here village, but I'm just criticizing the people of village, because they are not focusing, they are not raising their voice in against of local government, that why they are not putting a lot of efforts to make some facilities, infrastructures in village only. This is the good point of cities, that whenever something happen, then they generally go against, they generally put some efforts in terms of any facilities and all, right? That's why cities people are getting good things, and village are criticizing, village are being confront, cities village people are just confronting with several issues and facing miserable conditions in their life.
Some of the points that you have placed was nice. I liked it very well. But by respecting you, some of the points I just want to place right there. You stated that villagers people get migrated to the cities. But do you know, if you get the education, the proper education, each one of the member, whosoever living right there in our country, if they get the proper education, they want to enhance their more capabilities just because of they wants to migrate themselves to the another countries. The people who enhanced their mindset, they migrated themselves to the another country. It means that they're increasing the capacity and the enhancement of the other another countries. Rest of the members, whosoever being the part of this country, they are not that much educated. That's why we are not able to enhance the mindset of us. And if you are talking about the villagers people, they are not that much they're not growing that much in a productive way. Then I just want to say one thing: if a person get educated and they are able and they have that capability to migrate themselves to the village, then I would say that they can be the billionaires while living in the village. Do you know what is the crop of papla? It is one of the greatest crop which can be grown in the villagers in a very small area, and it can give you a huge money. Same rapis, it kind of the crop, it is a crop which can be grown within 10 years. It can be give you more than 1.5 crore rupees within 1 year if you have got that capability and well education. Just because you want to enhance yourself, then I would say you would be able to become a millionaire while living in the village after getting the proper education. That is why I would say village can be the best place where you would be able to become the successful person. It's not about the city, it can be the village as well.
Okay, guys. So, how do we predict the future? A privilege, a privilege cities, but in future, technology will keep us alive, but will not improve the health system, but will not improve the human health. This is the point that I want to place. I am completely against of urban life and cities. Why? Because every year, this is the story of every year, that on Diwali pollution takes place. Like the AQI, air quality index, got crossed the like dangerous level. So but this is not a point. Like this is the story of whole, you can say, year, not just because of cracker, also vehicles, industries like pollute the environment, water, nature. But when it comes to rural areas, we know that there is not a lot of development, but still, like, we can hope for a better development. In urban areas, we know development is going on, but it is killing people from inside. Because if industries are making products to keep like people in a well manner, also it is affecting the nature.
I will counter the points like earlier my friend Kshitij told. Villages have the education system is good in the village as well as he told, but that's a very big myth. There is no education system available in good quality in village as per me, because lots of the students only migrate to the city. And the second point he mentioned, they get a good quality of food, that's why there is no hospital available, and it's a good thing. But as per now, you can see lots of farmers are purchasing the pesticides from city, and they are putting those pesticides on their field for growing their crop so earlier. And that's a big loss for the human as well, because they are not getting the organic food. So there is no any good quality of food available in village as of now, according to me. And if I talk about like one of the person told they can grow the crop and wait for the 10 years. After growing the crop, they can get a 1 crore rupees. But it's a totally waste of time. Like every villagers can plant a crop and wait for 10 years. It's a best of time, like 10 years they are waiting to grow the plant, and then they can get the 1 crore rupees. But if they are utilizing their mind, using their mind, and they can work upon it, then there are the lots of skills and opportunity available in the city, so they can make the 1 crore in like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years as well. So it's a big opportunity in city only. That's a good thing as per me.
I'm totally disagree with your point that you have stated that villages people cannot be the millionaire or they cannot be succeed in their life. They cannot get succeed in their life while cropping the crops. You said that they cannot have the 1 crore rupee. It is just a waste of time growing a crop and waiting for the 10 years. Isn't productive. You are living in a village and you are just wasting your life while supposing that I'm going to the another city, and you are just planning, but you are not doing anything. You have got a hectare of the places where you can grow multiple of the crops, but you are not doing. while having a brief knowledge about crops and each one of the things, there are multiple of the sections and multiple of the farmers, they become a successful person. Do you know, I just want to place one more point right there. While living in a city, I have seen there are prominent thing, the poetry and the daily uses product, milk, food. There are multiple of the things which has been polluted by the producers, the consumers we are. Do you know milk? It can be made by the fertilizers. Fertilizers is the thing which can be which is look like a white powder. And second, detergent. You can mix it and it is just looking like a fake milk. But while living in a village, you can be the person who will taking care of each one of the thing which can be under provision by yourself. You can take it. You can use the natural things. While living in the country, I would say that there are multiple of the product that we are using it, but it is just a fake. It is just increasing the level of diseases in each one of the body parts of us. That's it.
Okay, I want to counter your point that you said that we have a air quality, we have bad air quality. So let me remind you the survey which is held between 6 years that we have a best air quality in 2024 if we compare through last 6 years. We have the best quality air quality. And if I talk about your many things that you have stated against of city lives, so that one thing that I genuinely cares, that is the GDP growth. The city is the only place where the GDP, the contribution of the GDP is maximum, like 80%. And if I just talk about the village peoples, the maximum person are poor, they are illiterate. So how can you say that the village people are the best, they are the millionaires? So I don't think that they are the best people in the world. And secondly, and you know that in rural area, they migrate from urban area. Why? Just to find a better job. Just to find a better job in, they don't have a better job. And let me remind you one more thing, one more fact. That is 36.71% of the people migrate from rural to urban. So that is a very big number.
Health is wealth. Do you know what are the basic necessities of a normal human being's life? That is air, water and food. But these are the only things what we are not really getting in the city. Proper air, non-polluted air, we are not getting that. And do you know what? That the life expectancy decreases by 10 years by living in a city. What would you do by being a millionaire when you don't even have your life? Would you take all your money to after your death? Where will you take it? That will gonna just burn with you. The second thing, water. Are you getting a pure water in city? No. Are you getting a pure food in city? No. Then why, what is the purpose of living that life where you are not even getting the basic necessities of your life? And while talking about the village life, you get a healthy life, and there is nothing better than a healthy, better life.
Like people who supports the city life is better than village life, I can understand them, because they are the one who belongs from India, and India there is no seriousness over the topic of this kind of mental health. Okay, they just focus on physical health. That's why they are supporting city life, because as we have gone through a particular thing, that in village life the mental health is way good in terms of city life, because in city lives we live in pollution, depression and anxiety, but in village we live with fresh air, fresh mind and fresh ideas. Why I am saying ideas? Because we are humans. Do you know that how we can make our mind creative? By connecting ourselves to the nature, because nature is our first home. Okay, so when we connect with nature, our mind works very creatively. That's why I am saying that in villages we can get some better idea. Even if we talk about the water facilities, as Pari said, so I would say that why we are living in the cities? To just drink the drainage system water? No. We are just here, we are just having a proud that we are living in the cities, and we are just saying this particular stuff, or we are living in pollution and some other
very like distincting particular things or particular scenarios, and we are saying that we live in city life. So what I think that a person who is supporting it should improve his mental health and then think that what's a good place to live.
Okay. We all have talked about the pros and cons of village life, and we should talk about until it comes in practical learning and until it comes to practical living of life. You know, we can't neglect that fact that we are living in cities and nobody of us would like to live in village because there we don't find basic necessities like electricity, water supply, and even security for crimes. Even we are not having those security in our cities as well, but the ratio is of 1 or 3. You know, when we talk about the village life, people are not getting education. Like as I mentioned in the earlier discussion, that 72% of like people of rural areas are not having access to education. And as he stated about that people are able to make decisions in village life, then if they are able to make decisions, then why they are migrating